What we can say safely, given the no.
All right.
Dude,
How do you actually do that?
Pretty normal.
Either
The driver has a delayed reaction. Oh!
These people have cultivated over 30 years.
Whoa!
I haven't heard that before. I'm stealing that. Thank you, Aussie man.
Yeah.
Cock smoker.
Did he call him
That's
a
good.
cock smoker?
Yeah, he called him a cock smoker.
That's such a good one.
Dude, look at that cock
Oh
smoker.
shit, bro!
That's actually crazy.
He's laughing at him.
He ran over a fire hydrant and hit a tree. Dude, that's just dodge activities, bro.
I heard something about the wacky bean.
The Chicago bean?
Yeah, all right, man. See, I'd be pissed there. I don't know who or what, but I just would be, man.
Dude, holy shit, turning. Oh my god!
Okay, that car
what
just
was
exploded.
That was the collision warning sound? That's crazy. That was so loud.
Gorman.
I ain't even gonna lie, man. I'd feel that shit in my cervix if I had one at least.
It's cool. I got his fucking license plate.
No, nobody else? Nobody else got a cervix? Okay.
No, dude, sorry. That's just on you. Dude, that's another fucking... that's a V8.
If they hit your car, speed up and hit them back.
Who was in the wrong there, man? Who was in the wrong?
The guy
Like, be
driving the
honest.
V8 fucking Hellcat Jeep. That guy. Or the... I think it's Durango.
The vehicular manslaughter.
Yeah, the guy who was trying to kill everybody.
Please,
Chase
Gorman.
after him. Gorman, can I have $20?
Cigarette sellers were among the most enthusiastic.
Cigarette
What do you mean
smellers?
cigarette sellers, bro?
Yeah, he said smellers or sellers.
He said sellers.
Okay, I was like, what the hell?
And RJ Reynolds were all buying network radio time. There has been
Ow.
Ow.
Those hurt so bad.
I always feel it on my
DHL,
tongue.
dude.
Wendy's.
Damn.
Wendy's spotted.
He wasn't looking where he was going in front of him. Dude, you had two
Okay, but you
people
saw
in the
the
car
Wendy's,
and not
right?
one of you was like, there's a car in front of you. What the fuck? What the
Looking
fuck,
at their
dude?
phone, dude. Instagram Reels takes priority, bro.
Dude, what the hell is this dude doing? What
the hell,
Oh,
man?
he went on the curb and didn't realize he was on the curb and kind of freaked out.
Nah, that would make me freak out, man. That's an idiot in car for sure. Oh god, I did not like that angle, bro.
Dude, he just straight up hit this guy's car. That's all this clip was.
And he's gone, man. He's
wait,
gone.
wait. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, she
Coming to
runs
finish it off.
back. Does she just look at the damage and go like, well, that's fucked up, and then leaves?
that's a crazy reaction, I feel.
Wait, there might be more. Nope.
Jesus, man.
That's so funny.
You just had to see the damage
That's
you did so
so
you could run away
funny.
again. Oh. Okay, yeah, it's not green for them.
Yeah, yeah.
But that
I get-
wasn't an idiot in
I get
car.
why.
That was just a person. Okay, but like, that wasn't that bad.
No,
I
it's
feel
just
like
a
there's
guy.
worse stuff.
Yeah, this
Oh
one's
my God.
this one's worse. They just hit a bus. Dude, now they're getting out angry. Who the fuck maybe hit this bus? Who did it?
Put this
Where's
bus
he
here.
going?
Yeah, where did he go? Oh my god, he got hit.
Dude, no, this would piss me off so bad.
Those things are loud, man.
I know, and being stuck in a tunnel with it, like, no,
Yeah, that's
fucking just
bad.
turn it
Dude,
off.
the craziest part is that truck literally can't see this car. Like, they have no idea.
Yeah.
What the hell's that? That's
I think it's a
truck.
car.
Okay, I thought it was a limo,
Dodge
like,
driver,
straight
Dodge
ahead
driver.
or some shit. Well,
Okay. Kind of an over-exaggeration in my opinion, but you know, whatever, bro.
no, dude, collateral, come on now.
Oh!
You just lost all his pieces, man.
Nah, literally, he's gotta go back and collect them all. Otherwise, they can't put his car back together, you know?
Dude, they had so many angles of this. It's so embarrassing. I think what's worse than getting in a car accident is having like 50 fucking angles of your car accident.
Dude, it took part of the red car with it. Good God, your car was hungry. That is a crazy song.
Yeah, crazy bass beat drop.
Maybe so.
Wow.
Nah, man, you have to poop on that guy. You have no choice.
Dude, I hate people do this shit.
Like, you, unironically, if you don't poop on that guy, you lose.
Oh, I love when there's an Amazon guy. I just love it.
You just know what's
He
about to happen.
doesn't know that when you
Okay,
turn,
bro.
the back goes out more because it's long. Dude!
Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Now, this is actually what I'm talking about.
This is crazy with, like, the tailgate not closed.
Okay, he's keeping it down, but what's keeping him down?
Nothing.
Sheer will, bro. Oh. No, that's normal. Come on, man. Be a good sport. Ah, dude.
Damn, bro, road raging goes crazy.
And maybe in California.
No, it's everywhere, dude.
Yeah, alright, commie.
Houston road rage actually does go crazy. Both these people are in the most fucking modded out shitboxes you've ever seen. That truck is a modded out shitbox, that Honda's a modded out shitbox. Or maybe it's a Toyota.
What? Damn, what a dick, bro. Jesus.
Just hit him. Oh, he just hit him.
It's crazy because they're both engaging. It's not even like one guy bullying a car. This little ass car is like, yeah, fuck with me, I fuck with you, bud. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
teach him a lesson, bro. They're doing some weird stuff. They touching each other. They're secretly boy cars. And they like each other a lot.
Dude, they spun out right there. We didn't get to see it. That's fucked up. That guy was not looking where he was going.
This is clearly California, by the way. You can
So
notice
is
how
this,
beautiful
man.
it is. Oh. Actually, this could be San Diego. I don't know. Who might have told?
No.
Go to the gas station. Get yourself a $4 monster. Oh,
That's
don't be like that
insane.
guy.
Your destination is on the right.
Your destination's on the right, dude. It's the gas station. Go ahead, bro. Is he still going?
He needs
Oh,
to slow down,
Dude,
man.
they're leaving from embarrassment for sure.
I was gonna say that's like the equivalent of a kid like hurting himself and then being like trying his hardest not to cry.
Dude, that car just fucking pushed the. That's impressive. That's impressive.
Yeah, I
They
just
got
run
out
away. Just
fast
go up,
as hell, bro.
just go up the hill, bro. Just go up the hill.
He fucked up.
Okay, what are you?
Oh my god.
Oh wow!
For a split second, I thought he hit his dashboard out of anger.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, blue.
Okay, it is insane that truck could not make that fucking turn. He had like 3 lanes. That is such a skill issue, bro.
Talk to him, Brandon.
Dude, if I had like a radio to talk to the drivers on the road, I would get arrested.
Oh, 100%.
Like, I would be saying the worst shit. Like,
They should
I
have
agree
like
with
voice chat, like
I
proximity voice
genuinely,
chat.
I think people would kill people so much more. I'm not joking. Like,
I think he saved it. Maybe.
Awesome music, bro.
Oh my god. Nah, you just gotta
Trying
tough
to
it
go
out
back in time.
sometimes.
Oh,
This
we've
guy's
seen
trying
this
to go back in
before.
time. And that's
Dude,
$1 trillion. $1
Oh, man.
trillion to Israel right there, brother.
wait, this is gonna be so bad. I just get the vibe.
This isn't gonna look real.
Okay,
I'm
it
not gonna
wasn't that
lie to
bad.
you.
Yeah, it's like it's been like it was already shitty quality, and I got upscaled with some weird software.
Yeah. This is good quality though.
Cinematic as
Dude,
hell,
what
dude.
is the
Look
front
at
of your
this.
car? Is that antenna?
It's got like a stag, like
Okay,
what is
that-
it? A
that
fucking
is on you,
stag
Mr. Driver. Dude, okay, you can't fumble and then almost fucking crash into the goddamn ditch. What the fuck, dude? That's insane.
Just
This
middle-aged
person,
man.
Bow
this
chicka
guy
bow
has
wow.
nothing to live for. That's the only explanation because like it's suicidal. It just is.
Middle-aged
He's got
man
somewhere
had a
to be,
midlife
man.
crisis,
That's all
bro.
it
That's
is.
all I gotta say. That's all he has left, bro. He doesn't care.
butt cheeks.
Uh-oh. Ah, too bad the damage is covered with that pillar.
Yeah, you can't see what happened.
Okay. Yeah, all right, man.
Oh my god, what are you?
This guy just
Dude.
walking away casually. Bro. At least care a little about your life, man.
Oh Oh my god.
This is a nice camera.
Wait, where are they gonna hit? It's gonna crash straight into the door? Are you fucking serious?
Oh no, the plants.
Dude, they are lighting this
the
up.
tree.
This is an
Get
attack.
owned.
They
They lined it up poorly in that
I know. I thought they were trying to go over.
Dude.
Fuck that mailbox.
I'd be lining my mailbox with spikes just for people like that, bro.
Put an IED in it. If they hit it, it blows up.
Yeah. Literally, though. Oh, yeah. You fucking idiot.
Damn, bro. Oregon's looking nice this time of year.
This is actually working.
Oregon actually kind of is a slept-on state.
Oregon is very fucking nice. It's just
I've been
sometimes it looks like
saying,
this.
dude. I want to
Yeah,
go to Oregon. It looks nice.
Like 30% of the year, it looks like the UK.
Yeah. But that's part of the charm.
Is that just because it's like it's raining, or because like
It's 'cause it's raining,
everything's
yeah.
built with brutalist
It just rains a
architecture?
lot.
Dude, anytime I go to Oregon, it's like just a coin flip of it'll be raining for half the trip.
Just the way it be, man.
Yeah, I don't
That's just
mind it
light
though.
for
I like
me.
rain. I like rain. It adds to the vibe of the vacation, you know.
I'm definitely not cold.
Oh my
Okay,
god!
That's, a,
What-
that's
what?
a fucking chair.
Dude, I want to know how
Fucking
long
prop
that
on, man.
chair was there without getting hit.
I don't know, actually.
Because it could have been like
anyone, man.
it could have been like an hour. It could have been like a day.
I mean, this looks like a highway, so I'd imagine
Yeah.
that it must have just
It
like,
was probably put
literally
there in
was
the
planted
morning.
just there. Yeah, I
or,
don't know.
Or it like flew out of a truck and like
It
landed
just
perfectly.
landed perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is
This is not
This is
America
not
or the
shit.
UK.
Chicago, bruh. Or actually, this might be LA. I don't know.
No, this
that guy's
might be
backpack say
China.
iFood, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, that might be China.
Uh-oh. Nah, that's real though.
He
That's
just straight
real.
up ran the red. He was stopped too. Like what the fuck?
I'm just gonna say it right now, man. I'm gonna run so many reds when it's my turn to drive.
Just don't get caught.
Also, that poor parked car, bro.
Yeah, now
That
this
creepy
is
lightning.
Oregon, man.
Oh,
That's crazy.
Damn.
That sucks too because the
This is
guy
not
driving
Oregon.
was trying to avoid the car, but it was the classic thing of like going where the car wasn't at the time.
Yeah, literally
which means
missile.
you're gonna hit it. Yeah.
Heat-seeking missile,
Yeah,
bro.
dude,
Sorry.
fuck.
Yep, your fault. That's what you
That's
get for doing
insane.
nothing at all, bro.
They
What
got
the
a
fuck?
fucking
They just-
moose in the goddamn
It's a
fucking
bull, bro.
car.
What do you mean
It's
a
kind of
moose?
sick, honestly, man. I fuck with that heavy. This looks like a dream.
This is the UK.
This is the UK. This is like the other half of the UK that isn't fucking dog shit. It's just grass.
This clip is insane because like this just is Dodge activities. Like this this is why a lot of people buy that car. Just to fucking burn it out.
Actual foolish behavior, man.
It is. I don't get it. Oh my
Okay,
god.
I don't know if that was that big of a fucking reaction needed.
If she
Like,
was
that
the
was a
long
driver,
one.
if she was the driver, fair. If she's the passenger, you probably just might have caused an accident if you scream like that.
Yeah, like that. I'm just gonna swerve and crash. Like,
All right, click the
Yeah.
answers now, or Poke will be very scared and hunt you down. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.
why would I hunt them down? I'm scared.
Because you're scared. You're fighting back.